How to transfer crypto from Binance to Metamask wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you are going to be transferring money from your Binance to your Metamask wallet in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, basically what we are going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead into our MetaMask. Over here, you can go into either, your MetaMask wallet and stuff. Once you open up your MetaMask wallet, like let's say I have my MetaMask wallet over here. If you open it up, basically what that will do is it will give you a link to transfer, crypto and to transfer money into this MetaMask wallet. So you're going to copy that link, you're going to copy that ID, and then from there on out, you're going to come over to Binance, okay? Now, once you come over to your Binance, make sure you're logged in with your Binance, and once you've logged in with your Binance, from there on out, you're just going to want to go into your trade, or you can send it into your markets. And once you go into your trade, you can easily send this money into your Binance account by, obviously sending it or selling it essentially by going into your Binance dashboard, adding the link you copied from your MetaMask wallet, and yeah, that should be good to go. So that is how you can transfer your money from your basic Binance to MetaMask. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.